fam, it's Life with CaityB here again, and as y'all can see, I am starving. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's I'm doing a flea market mukbang. So I just got, you know, like a couple of stuff from the market. Oh wow, my mom funded this for me, so thank you, mom. Ow. So let me try this. I actually tried it before. I got the cheese and onion flavored potato thing. Pretty nice if you ask me.
I just want to thank all my subscribers. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers in the past week actually. I just want to thank you guys, all my new subscribers, to all my loyal subscribers and watchers, likers, commenters. My heart goes out to you guys. Yeah.
So the market that me and my family went to, my mum woke us up early in the morning, like around 7, to go to the market before it gets packed. So we went to Laverton market in Melbourne to get all the stuff. I tried to get a variety of stuff, but I don't know, I didn't want to waste money on food that I might not probably eat, or I know I might not like. So yeah.
My uncle said this is the best place to get your Vietnamese food at. I didn't even get the name, I'm so duh. But my uncle said that even the guy that works there said this is the best pho, that like Vietnamese soup thing that in Melbourne apparently, at a market, which is pretty good. So this tastes so good, I feel like I could eat 20 of these. Yeah. So we went Laverton market, we just looked around for food to try for this mukbang. Yeah. So go check out Laverton market, guys. They got really good food. We love going there for their corn dogs, their kebabs, of course. You know, typical market food.
In New Zealand, we used to always go to the market. We used to go Otara market, night market, wherever there would be. This is a pork meat kebab. This is actually so nice. This is really nice, by the way. I'm sitting by the window and the heat is so hot outside, guys. So lucky we did go early, because I would have been burning my butt off out there. Damn, I've never tried this stand before, but their food is so good. As you can see, it takes me 10 hours to eat one kebab, guys.
What's your guys' favorite market food? When I was in New Zealand, my favorite market food was either a steak and egg roll, kebabs, chicken kebabs, and that. Those are like my go-to. Hot chips.
This isn't too bad. It tastes really milky. The prawns are really chewy. It's bearable though. If it had ice in it, it would be really nice. So the food is a bit cold. I warmed it up, but it's gone cold again. I usually can't eat food when it's like really hot. So yeah, let's try the corn dog that I've already tried before. The batter is really thick, and when you get it nice and hot, it's nice and crispy. You think for hot dogs you'd want to like add less batter on the outside, but it's actually just right. It's so good. With heaps of tomato sauce. Every time we go to these markets, we always almost finish the tomato sauce bottle on these things. I forgot to charge the batteries before we went to the market, and I had to wait for like a good 30 minutes to an hour before I could actually eat. So I just watched my family eat, and we watched like some videos of these YouTubers. They're called Jamily. Their YouTube channel is called Jamily TV. TV. The YouTube videos are so good. They're family from Texas that moved to Samoa, and they are freaking awesome, I'm telling you. Like the adventures they go on, it just it makes me feel like I'm on the trip with them. Like their house in Samoa is so beautiful. So for their Christmas video, they surprised their kids with a New Zealand trip, and they made New Zealand look so beautiful. Like I literally almost teared up watching their videos of, you know, them really hyping up New Zealand, the beautiful side of New Zealand, you know what I'm saying? I noticed at this market they don't have a churro stand. Not like people eat chocolate early in the morning, but I would have definitely gotten churros for this video.
If you stay in Melbourne, you would have known that it's been really hot lately. I've been seeing like a lot of posts on Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat, everyone talking about how hot it's been in New Zealand lately. It cracks me up because here it's like hot almost every day. Chicken kebab. And the point of my story was, I'm burning hot from the sun. The chicken tastes like it hasn't been cooked properly. Like when you have like lamb or silver side or something, it tastes really like watery or like not cooked or something. I feel like that's what this tastes like.
Maybe because it's cold and soggy from its own steam. Maybe because of that. But I like the New Zealand ones because they're a lot thicker. They have a bit of spice to it. Oh my gosh, the flavour is amazing. This is okay. It's not like something to hype over. So I'm just gonna try this pork dumpling. Hopefully it's good. I'm scared. It just looks white in the middle. I thought I'd have some colour or something. It's bearable. It's not too bad. Tastes like it's got ginger in it, but like soggy ginger. Actually, everything tastes soggy because, like, yeah, I had to wait for my battery to charge. Let's try the soup, guys. Oh, after I have my chip. Watch this. This soup is gonna make me full. So I don't know whether to save it for last or eat it now.
Oh, look at that oil, bro. See that thin layer of oil up top? Ugh. Diabetes.
But that's what makes this thing so good. Hopefully it doesn't tip all over my floor. Oh yes. Look at this. Alright. I didn't even know what's in it. I know it's got crab. The crab looks really weird. This is the crab chunks. I only got 2 of the chunks, which is not too bad, I guess. I got tofu. I've never tried tofu before. Oh no! And I don't know what this is. If anyone knows what that is, please tell me. It looks like cuts, man. Wait, did I even say the prayer before I ate? Oh my gosh, I didn't even say a prayer. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Amen. I'm sorry, Lord. I'm so sorry. Everyone else forget to do that. I'm really scared to try this. I hope it's really nice. I don't really eat like crab soup or something, I'll usually get pork soups or something, but I was like, let me try something different for you guys, because we all know what pork tastes like, you know what I'm saying? Wow. Oh. That's the inside of it. It looks like some type of... I don't know, it's really weird, like the texture of it. You know, you're getting like used to something and you're sort of like, I don't know, it's really weird. Mint, I don't like mint in my thing, so I'm glad they put it in the bag instead of in the soup. Let's try this bad boy soup.
Yeah, I don't think I like this key thing. So I'm gonna take that out. Make my life easier.
Damn, I should have just got a pork soup or something. Okay, I don't know how to use chopstick, guys, so I don't know, I should probably try it. Actually, I'll try to use a chopstick. I don't know how you use a chopstick, guys. I watch videos of how to use it, but I still don't. Oh my gosh! I just picked it up. Not too bad. It tastes like the Alaskan king crab legs I had. I'm actually picking up noodles, oh my gosh. I don't think I'm a fan of this soup. This is what happens when you try to be risky and get something out of your comfort zone and then you end up not really liking it. But I'm not gonna waste it. If you guys know what this is, let me know. It's like a little, I don't know what it is. Is this some type of meat or something? Interesting. Now let me try the tofu. I don't know, it's a weird taste. I thought people said it had no taste. Come on, man. It tastes like egg. I don't know if that's what tofu is. Just egg. I don't like that, bro. The pho's not too bad. I told you guys I'm left-handed, so I'm left-handed with certain things, like my hand can pick up certain things that my right hand can't do, because obviously your left hand doesn't have as much strength as my right. My right hand will overdo things. That's probably why I won't be able to use chopsticks on this hand. Yeah. Let's try to pick up several things. It's my first time trying it though, I'm being serious. I don't know if that's how you hold it. I'm Gucci. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high. I don't want to overdo my eating because I might just vomit on camera, but I am getting full and I just started. Let's try the chicken now. It looks a bit burnt on camera, but it's not too bad. Oh, it smells like a good chicken. It smells like what this is supposed to smell like. It's probably gonna taste what this is supposed to taste like. Oh, well, from what I've known. This is what the chicken kebab in New Zealand tastes like. Still have heaps of food left.
I was literally only gonna have the fried food without the soup. But my mum was like, that's not enough. And I was like, yeah, I think you're right, I think you're right. And I'm just like, we were both wrong. Absolutely wrong.
Okay, I have to break it to you guys. I don't really like the seafood soup. I feel seafood, you know, like crab lover. I like crab, but I think the Alaskan king crab saved me for like the rest of my life.
I'm not so much a fan of the soup. If I just went with my gut and went with a pork one, I probably would have eaten it. That is making me want to vomit.
I'm getting so full right now. The anticipation, waiting for an hour to eat because I've got to charge the batteries. I think that's what killed me, like really wanting to eat heaps. Or maybe because my belt's too tight. Hold up a minute. Yeah, my belt was too tight. Okay. We have so many ideas coming along for you guys. Oh my god, talking about ideas. 2 nights ago I tried to prank my mom. I tried to do the disrespectful prank. That was the scariest prank of my life. But it failed because I didn't even record the camera. I'm so mad. I'll add a snippet of me just setting up the camera for you guys because I'm so mad that I was gonna get beat to death that day, you know what I'm saying? So maybe for a good hour, 2-3 hours, I started, you know, like acting up and stuff, like being all fa'ali'i. Fa'ali'i means like having attitude, like, you know what I'm saying? So I started having attitude after we had dinner. And then I thought when I was washing the dishes to carry it on and turn it into a prank. But I've never been so scared to do a prank in my life. This is why you guys never see pranks on my channel, it always fails. I was gonna start off with slamming the door. So I slammed the door the first time, but I didn't get to record it because my mum kept walking past my room. And I didn't want to close the door in case she pushes in and then she sees me hiding, trying to hide the camera. So yeah, oh, my stomach. So yeah, I slammed the door the first time and I wasn't even recording. My mum came and blasted me. And I thought I'd try it the second time and try and record it. So I slammed the door really loud and I didn't realise I was recording. It would have been a good prank too, but my mum was full yelling at me. I couldn't even yell back at her for this prank, you know. It would have been a fail anyways because I wouldn't have got on camera. I couldn't even yell back at my mum. It's just that scared feeling. I'm still scared of my mum. Like, I feel like it's a good thing to have that sort of, I don't know. Because you know, there's a lot of kids these days that are not scared of their parents and it's sort of, they start becoming disrespectful and stuff. Like I can joke around with my mom, sometimes I get a little bit lippy, but there's always a line. Yeah, there should always be a line between a kid and a parent, you know what I'm saying? Like that sort of respect. So that's why I found it hard for me to sort of yell back at my mom. So if I did do it as a prank, you'll probably never see me yelling back because I was so scared. I don't want to be disrespectful to my mom like that for a prank, you know what I'm saying? I just couldn't do it. So all I did was slam the door, and then my mum came in and yelled at me, and I was just like, I'm gonna cry. I thought she was gonna kick me out. But yeah, so I hope you guys have enough patience to keep watching my channel until I do a prank. I'm so scared because I've never done anything out of the box when it comes to my family, you know what I mean? So I'm just scared thinking about the prank I'm gonna do next, which I don't know what it is. I've gotten a lot of suggestions, I'm just waiting for the right time, you know what I'm saying? Because I failed that prank, my mum's sort of like being sketchy now. Because she definitely didn't expect me to do that prank. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I need a fart. But yeah, before something happens on camera, like farting or something,
I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna let y'all go, and I'm gonna go to the bathroom right now. But yeah, so I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. This is all for you guys. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, share on your whatever platform there is out there. Up to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me eat.
Go check this place out. They got a lot of good stuff, you know. They got gardening stuff, clothes, carpets and rugs. You know what your typical market has, fake speakers and whatever, you know. Get yourself a fake speaker and tell all your friends it's real. Some won't even notice. But I hope you guys, and thank you guys for watching my videos. Loves out to everyone, to anyone. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. I hope y'all can see me because I'm so dark right now. But peace out. Hasta luego, guys.